I have another exotic fruit trees for you to plant. How to plant it? It's a pomegranate, anar sabeb. It's very good fruit. It has so many different way of using it, eating just like that, and also make it from the juice from it. They take the juice from it and they make a Persian food, fesenjun. It's very nice. And again, this hole that we made is about 18 to 20 inches deep and 18 to 20 inches round. You want to fit the whole thing in that hole. Then around it has a little space that you put the good soil that mix it with the NPK, nitrogen, phosphor, potassium, and the organic compost, and also fertilizer from the horse manure or whatever it is. And chicken manure is fine too. You put just a little bit of that, not too much. Mix with the soil that you took it out, as we did. We have mixed about everything that needed. Mix it together, and we put 6 inches in the bottom. Then lift it and put it in the hole. Cover it with the other soil that you made is ready for the different type of the soil. This is a pomegranate tree that I took out of this pot. Completely, I took it out by lifting the trunk of the tree and banging with the shovel around the pot. This comes out just like this, And if you see the root system, this root were not here about a week ago. This root system brand new. Why? Because of these leaves that they are getting leaves. As soon as they get leaves, they are trying to grow, to open, give leaves and the flowers. This root system has to get suck all of the juice that for them, because they are the food provider, all those root system for the flowering and the fruit. This I just wanted to let you know. This is the way that you take it out of the pot and put 6-inch soil and put just directly, lift it and put it right here. Great. And you make sure that the good side, the pretty side of it is forward from this side. I would say this is excellent because it has a big branch here toward the fence, and usually they go toward the light. But and all around it's going to full the gates go like that and go about 8 to 12 feet tall. That's it. Then you put the good soil that you mixed already with the NPK fertilizer and the compost, everything mixed together with the soil that you took it out, and put it back in around the hole. That's what I was saying, that make a space between the this fruit tree and the wall. You can put good soil around it. Why? Because of those small roots needs food, and this soil itself doesn't have anything. And we mix it with this 5 different kind of the fertilizer and the manure and the compost mixed together and put it around it. Then this root system, they touch this good source of the food, and they grow faster and healthier. More healthier the plant is, less disease they get, just like a human being. If you take a vitamin C, good food you eat, and you don't get sick, you don't catch cold. This tree is the same thing. Okay, thank you.